I want to fix a couple more issues today. I'm gonna look at Sophie, give her lots of HP, and I'm also gonna slow down the time scale to 20%, so we're gonna have slow motion. Here's Sophie. Not sure if I can show you the bug, but I'm gonna jump. Okay, I want to be hit as I do the jump. Okay, there we go. You'll notice that the box collider is no longer matching the character. This is because the hit reaction state does not have the update box collider ability. We can fix this if we look at Sophie's animator. Oh no, not Sophie's animator. I want to look at the hit reaction animator, head hit, and zombie death. For both of these states, I want them to have the same box collider as the idle. So I'm going to search for update box collider, put in the same ability, the one that we're using in idle. So whenever Sophie gets hit, the box collider will return to its default state. Okay. And let me see if I can replay that. Okay. The attack missed right there. That might be another bug, but it's not what I'm concerned about right now. Okay, sometimes you see the punch just going right through. Okay. Now we have the box collider matching Sophie. I think if I continue, the Mario stomp might kick in and kill the AI. Anyways, the box collider issue is fixed. One more issue is that sometimes when the AI is close, it's going to prevent Sophie from jumping over the AI, even if their Y positions might be almost the same. I'm going to go into the animation progress. And if you remember last time where we fixed the Mario stomp by comparing two Y positions, I'm going to do the same thing here. Control T, check up blocking. Okay. So this is where we're nullifying the up velocity. First, let me put this into a separate function. So I'll call it nullify up velocity. Put this in there. Okay. And I want to write a few lines. I want to check every data in the dictionary. And that dictionary is up blocking OBJs. First, we want to check if that's a character. We look at the value. We look at the root game object and see if that's a character. Character manager, get character. So if character control is null, it's just some object, some physical object. In that case, we're just going to nullify up velocity. We don't really have to check anything. But in the other case, if it is a character, we want to compare the Y positions. We want to compare the center position. First, let's get that center Y position. center Y, and we compare that against the player's Y position. I think I got this backwards. If another character is above Sophie's center, that's when it can prevent Sophie from going up. Okay, and that's when we nullify up velocity. And once we know that something is blocking the upper part of the player, we don't have to check any other objects in the dictionary. Save, and I'm gonna go back and do the Lost Vikings test again. Turn off AI. Bring in the original yellow bot. Back to normal speed. Sophie's gonna be on the ledge at the top. Turn off manual input for Sophie. We now look at the Y bot original. Make sure that the up blocking still works. Okay, I think it's fine. It's really hard to test exactly when this code kicks in. For now, in normal circumstance, it's fine. It's really hard to put a rare instance in a video, but after I'm done recording, I'm going to do lots of testing. For now, let me bring Sophie back to her original state. Okay, turn on AI again. And I'm going to try jumping while the AI is attacking Sophie. Might be difficult on normal speed, but I'm happy that I've now added a couple more fail-safes. Okay, looks like it's working fine. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.